Alright, this video is for everybody that's been requesting me to show them how I actually do the green tea in the pitcher. It's really, really simple. I just grab a pitcher that I have. I put some water. I actually have an iced tea brewer. So then I just put my water in there. And then I have, of course, the green tea. I take the green tea. I take about a couple packages of that. I put it in my thing here. I'm telling you, it's really simple. You can do the same thing in like your coffee pot or whatever. And then I just hit brew. And then once I start, wait a minute. And so once it starts brewing and everything, and it goes ahead and fixes, as you'll see, you'll start seeing it drop down. As it starts fixing the green tea, after it does that and fills it up, then I'll just take it and do the same thing again. I'll take it and put it in another container, and then I fill it up again, and then now I have about a gallon, pretty much almost a gallon of the green tea. So it's pretty cool. It's easy, it's simple, it's coffee, but in this case, it's easy, it's simple. It's just green tea. So it's real simple. And then after that, I'll either, cut a lemon open and then, put my lemon in there and honey. And sometimes I actually don't need any lemon or honey. I'll just drink it, just the way that it is. So as y'all can see, it's real simple. It's dropping on down. And then I'll take it and put it in the refrigerator. And so that's how I make the green tea cold, or put it in the freezer and make it icy. So hope this helps you guys out. I told you it's easy, it's simple, it's just tea.